we have a string, which is the number 5. Now we can turn this string into an integer, we can turn that string into a float, and we can turn this float variable into a string again. So let's look over here. So this is the integer, that's going to be the float, and this is going to be a string, although it looks like a float. Now, to make a single line comment, you just use the hashtags, so hashtag hello, and you can also make multi-line comments. So you can write hello world, and here you are able to make comments in a multi-line fashion. Now, to make lists, you need to use brackets, and you can put in any of the items inside of here. To print out the first item of the list, you use this. To change the second item of the list, use that, and you can print out the list using this way. Yep, looks good. Now to go to more looping, so for every item inside of the list, now to loop through the whole list, you use the range of the length of the whole list, and you print out every integer inside of the list. You can also use this way, where for every item inside of your list, print out every integer. And look over here, it's all the same. Same here, same there. And lastly, we can use and or statements. So if we have a variable 5, if that variable is bigger than 0 or less than 10, print out the statement. If it's less than 0 or bigger than 10, print out the statement right here. And we get x is bigger than 0 and in between 0 and 10. Sweet.